Hello, my name is Miss Snowden. I am Wallace Community College Adult Education Director. Currently, we're not having in-class sessions due to the coronavirus pandemic. Therefore, we are holding all of our classes online through distance education. In order for us to start you into our online classes, we will need you to complete an application online and go through the PowerPoint presentation. Once you go through our orientation, which is our PowerPoint presentation here, we will get you set up in an online class. We'll send you your login information. We will also provide you with the name and the contact information of your online instructor. Okay, let's start with the orientation. What can a high school diploma or GED do for you? It can help you to get a better job, can help you to continue your education, helps you to feel better about yourself, help you to earn more money, and also it's an investment into your future. The benefits of attending our program, the benefits are we have free traditional and online classes, but as I say, our traditional classes are not in session. We have free preparation for the non-traditional high school diploma and GED. We have free official practice tests. We have free WorkKeys assessments. We can provide you with vouchers up to $120. That is to pay for your GED test, provided you pass the official practice test with a 145. And after you pass your GED test, you are entitled to one free class at any Alabama community college. We offer free study material. We also have career coaches and counselors. Now, what to expect in adult education? Okay, expect students to be working on different areas and in different levels. We gear your instruction towards what your needs are. Expect individualized and group instruction, and this will be online. There will be times in which the instructor will contact you to provide you with individualized instruction, and there will be times in which you will have group session online through platforms such as GroupMe or the WhatsApp. Expect some students to complete the program before the other. And that is because people are doing different things. Some people have completed portions of the GED, and so they're only focusing on a part of the GED. Expect to ask questions of your teacher and tutors. Expect to see some students leaving early. And that means they may be leaving the session early, and that because of childcare restraints, or they may have to work. Expect all members of the program to be respectful and helpful, and expect to be contacted by your coach. Characteristics of successful adult education students: plan for success. Focus on your goals and work towards those goals frequently. Do not quit when life and tasks get difficult. Attend class regularly. And that means go online. You want to work online consistently, not just going online one day and then waiting another week and go online, but having a regular schedule. When you're working online, some of the ways to be successful is to find a quiet place where you can work during a quiet time. Um, Also, be actively involved in the class, and that's in those online sessions. And whenever you need help, definitely ask for help because we can provide you with individualized tutoring as well online. Complete assignments in a timely manner. Do not waste time in class or when you're working online by simply writing down everything. Certainly take notes as you're working online, but also and write down the problems that you don't understand or the content that you do not understand so that you can ask your teacher the question, but don't write down everything. Take notes. As we say, study outside of the classroom setting, the online classroom setting. Come prepared to learn. Ask questions, and definitely ask for help when you need it. What WCCS has to offer? We offer GED, the non-traditional high school diploma. We offer a short-term skills certificate in OSHA 10. We have some digital literacy certificates as well through North Star. And we also have career readiness certificate. Now let's talk about our non-traditional high school diploma. Now this non-traditional high school diploma is geared towards those who have completed all of their credits, and they are trying to, they have all of their credits and they did not pass portion of the graduation exam. They must have an orientation, so this would be considered an orientation, and then there's a plan of instruction just for that particular option. Option 2, you must be at least 19 years of age, must earn at least 10 credits and more from an Alabama high school, and also you must have completed your orientation. You must score at least a 6.0 on the TABE. The basics of your GED is that the content areas of GED includes reasoning through language arts. That's the longest test. Science, social studies is your shortest test, and math. Now, one of the things that we do not recommend is that you take all of the tests at one time. We recommend that you take them either one at a time or at least two at a time, at most two at a time. The cost of the GED is $120, but remember, we will give you a voucher. If you pass the official practice test, we also pay for your official practice test. And so we will pay that $120 for you. You can register for the GED test and the GED Ready test on www.ged.com. You can also go on and set up an account with GED.com because it has some valuable information such as a study guide. It also have the videos concerning the extended response. Now, completion of the GED test requires at least a 145 on each part, and there are 4 parts to that test. We typically give this test on Saturdays. Currently, we are on hold for doing those tests, but once we get started back, we'll definitely let you know. The National Career Ready Certificate, we also offer that in our program. This is the work keys, and it's also considered to be the BAT test for law enforcement. It is a certification that verifies the individual work skills. You can list these on your resume or your application. It demonstrates your ability in reading, math, and locating information. Reading and math, and also locating information. It assists employers in job placement and assists in the completion of a high school diploma and the RTW program. That's the Ready to Work program. So for level 3, that's a bronze certificate. Level 4 is silver. Level 5 is gold, and level 6 is platinum. Our career coaches. Our career coaches will conduct your career assessment. They assist you in goal setting and career planning, provide academic advising, follow up periodically with students. They provide college seminars and other workshops with students, and assist students in college enrollment process, connect students with available support services, and they also assist students with a plan to overcome barriers that may prevent them from completing. So we do have someone on staff who can assist you if you need additional support services that are outside our program. Our code of conduct, those codes of conduct will be provided to you in a folder. We do expect you to abide by those codes of conduct. Your teacher, while you're online, your teacher will provide you with the guidelines for online or distance learning students. Please adhere to those guidelines for being online. And lastly, if you need to contact me, I am the director of the program. You can either email me or you can call 334-876-9370. But at this particular time, the email would be a better format of contacting me. Thank you so much for allowing us to assist you in accomplishing your goal.